Hey guys, this is my 2026 Blizzard Blast overview. The match was organized and very efficient. I came prepared as far as focus and speed. Unfortunately, my accuracy struggled. Let's get into it. Warm-up went terrible. Pulled the bottom target's headshot and had 3 other points down. Had to move forward though.
Stand by.
I really couldn't catch a break these first 2 stages. I knocked my muzzle on the door when I went back to engage that array of targets I moved past, and twisted my guide rod into the lock position, so I had to force it back into battery afterwards a couple times.
Stand by.
This was my second best stage of the day. 1 point down, 17-17 raw. Pretty fun stage.
Stand by.
This was the first low light stage we had for the day. 5 points down, 1951 raw. Went very well.
Lights. Are you ready? Stand by.
I actually ended up with a reshoot on this stage. My first run through went very poorly. I pulled 2 of the headshots on the last 2 targets just below the neck, making them misses for this stage. And I did the same exact thing on the second run. Pretty terrible.
Lights. Are you ready? Yeah. Stand by.
The theme of pulled shots continues. Pulled the last 2 shots of the stage just below the black hardcover, and an unnecessary reload before I had to. Enjoy.
Stand by.
I absolutely ripped splits on these swingers. Did not pay off. Pulled one of the shots into the hardcover.
Stand by.
This is another example similar to the warm-up, taking a simple stage and trying to rush it and go overcomplicated. Just slow down, get the hits on something simple like this.